Did you know that it is possible to get more leads, clients, and sales by writing articles? Hi, I'm Ramon Tarruella, and today I'm going to teach you effective tips for using article marketing to promote your online business. Article marketing can bring many benefits to your business. You should keep in mind the following tips that I'm going to present you. Number 1, write only relevant content. The main thing is that you are sure that you are writing content relevant to your business and products. If you are convinced that your product can be very useful, then do some previous research on it. Then at the end of the article, put a link to your website. It is important that before you submit your article to a website that specializes in article publishing, it has the category or topic of the article. Number 2, your article has to be timely and newsworthy at the same time. This will help you a lot to keep in touch with what is happening in the world. For this, you can make use of tools such as Google Alert, which sends you alerts to your email at the moment a news is produced, related to a keyword you use. Number 3, do not write just one article on a respective topic. Writing a single article on a respective topic won't help you much. You must write a new one with updated information after several months. If you do not do this, your competition will write updated articles, which will make your articles no longer have value for potential customers. Number 4, make your items go viral. Allow other people to publish your article demanding that they give you credit. In this way, you will get others to publish your message, which will make your voice multiply quickly with a little effort. One way to accomplish this is to have others republish the links on your blog or website. If your article is very good, your followers on social network will be happy to share the links to your articles. Number 5, write short and simple articles. If you make a very long article, people won't want to read it. All people like to spend a lot of time reading, so being able to send your message in a short and concise way, you will get the attention of this type of public too. Number 6, you don't need many articles to start article marketing. Surely, you wonder how many articles you need to increase the traffic of your website. The answer is not many. With 2 articles, you can make things start to have results. What you should do is try to capture the attention of your readers. To achieve this, you must give titles in your articles that are catchy. You can use the following format for your articles titles: how to do, X tips to do or to achieve. A good title will make more users click on the links, and this way you will increase the number of potential customers you can absorb to your business. Number 7, you have to use cross-referencing. You can write and send only a couple of articles to promote your products to article submission sites. If you have more products, you can mention them in what is known as the resource box, which is the space that article submission sites give you to put links to your website. Some of these sites allow you to post 2 links in the resource box. You can use it for the main address of your website and another for the address of one of your products. Number 8, post articles on your website too. It is recommended not only to submit articles to article submission sites, but also to publish them on your blog. In this way, you get traffic from search engines and you can get others to share your links on social networks. You can also combine your articles in an ebook and offer it for free to people who subscribe to your mailing list. Number 9, use RSS Feeds submission sites. Publish your articles on RSS submission sites. There are many of them. They will drive a lot of traffic to your website. Write articles that are easy to read. When you're writing articles, keep your readers in mind at all times. There are many studies that show that most online readers scan pages to get information they are looking for, read it and reading the entire page. Use good titles, lot of subtitles, and use bullet points. Having good titles, lot of subtitles, and using bullet points helps readers locate the information they are looking for. They prefer sites of this style. They will return to your site like this, where you can easily find what they are looking for. This means that the more these readers return to your site, the greater the probability of turning them into your customers. If you don't focus on writing this way, you will be wasting your time, since your internet reader seeks to locate information quickly and easily. Use categories and labels to organize your articles. Keeping your articles in an orderly manner on your blog is highly recommended. You should use the organization options provided by blogging platforms. Among them are categories and tags. After viewing this video, you should know effective tips for using article marketing to promote your online business. In case you still do not have it clear, I would like you to comment in the comment section. What doubts do you still have about it? I would also like to know if you have had any experience using article marketing. Was it positive? Did you manage to increase your sales? Please comment on it. The only way to make this information productive to your business is by applying it right now. Put it in practice at this precise moment. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive some free information on how to use article marketing to promote your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell that is next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email the precise moment when I publish a new video, so you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you the best of luck using article marketing. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.